Greg Glover strikes up Channel 3's Band of the Week. Brought to you by Music Instruction Studio, molding tomorrow's
We're on the
musicians.
side of the camera here because I just grabbed Georgia off the ladder. Georgia, you're the drum major. What did we just hear?
We heard Radioactive.
Awesome. Now, the school, Central, is known as the Purple Pounders, but not this group. Tell me the name.
We are the Central Sound of Chattanooga.
It sounds very sophisticated, huh? You're going to get a listen right here because Central High School, the Central Sound of Chattanooga, is your Band of the Week!
Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Central. Back to North Georgia.